In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two animations at the same time in PowerPoint. This technique can really bring your presentations to life, offering a dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It's essential to have your presentation ready, and if you've already got your file set up, just open it up. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to create a new one. Once you're in your PowerPoint presentation, you'll want to select the images or objects you wish to animate. If you're working with just one, simply click on it. For multiple objects, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each object you want to include. Alternatively, if you want to select everything on the slide, pressing Ctrl+A will do the trick by selecting all the elements at once. Now, with your selected objects ready, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the Animations tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice a wide array of animation options available. By clicking the drop down arrow, you can view all the offered animations. Take a moment to explore these options. There are numerous entry, emphasis and exit effects to choose from. Once you've found the animation that speaks to the effect you desire, simply click on it and voila. It will automatically be applied to the objects you have selected. But how do we make two animations happen simultaneously, you ask? Here's the trick. Once your first animation is set up, look towards the right side of the Animation tab. You'll see an option labelled Animation Pane. Click on that, and a new pane will appear on the right side of your screen, detailing all the animations currently applied to your selected objects. This is your control center. To add a second animation, ensure your objects are still selected and head back to the Animations tab again. This time hold down the Shift key while selecting your second animation. This lets PowerPoint know that you wish to add an additional animation to the already animated objects rather than replacing the existing selection. You'll see both animations listed in the animation pane. Now both animations will run simultaneously when you start the presentation, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to add a dynamic duo of animations to your PowerPoint, engaging your viewers right from the first slide. Thank you for watching, and have fun creating captivating presentations.